over here, you perk up, and you think about what you did. I just dug through that bag to try and find a working G7X. I text Joel and I said, I can't find a camera anywhere. And he's not texting me back. I'm like, it's time for me to say hello. Tomorrow is Friday. For you guys, today is Friday. So I am sending all of my the last weekend before Christmas vibes to you because that's what I'm feeling. That's what I am feeling. And do you wanna know what I really wanna do is mop these floors. They have not been mopped even one time. Yep, lady is still sitting over there. Hi, you big lazy, tiny, lazy little doggy. I haven't mopped my floors one time since the beginning of Vlogmas because I've been doing Vlogmas, okay? I've swept them, we vacuumed them, but they need mopped. And no exaggeration, I'm thrilled to do it. I am thrilled to do it. It sounds so fun. Came down to get my vacuum because we gotta vacuum first. Joel is out of the house, and so it's just me, and I don't know why that gives me I don't know why that gives me energy, but it just does. Okay, that sounded kind of rude, but here's the actual reason why. It's because when he's here, I'm just like, hi, Joel, hi. I just want to play and hang out. But when he's not here, I'm like, okay, fine. If he's out being productive, then I have to be productive. You know what I'm saying. My mother-in-law made me the cutest aprons, and this is a Christmas one. Ooh, how am I gonna get it over my hair? There we go. And I thought it would be so fun to wear it today. Isn't that so cute of her? She made all different kinds for each different season, and I thought, you know what? This is dang cute. I'm gonna wear it while I clean today. Aw, ready. Brie always wore an apron when she would clean and cook and stuff, and I always thought it was so cute, and I kind of am adopting that a little bit. Also, this is not me stalling. This is just a reminder to drink your water. Mom, I'm talking to you. And you, I am also talking to you. You need to drink your water. Yes, you do. You're gonna stay alive till Christmas, aren't you? You're gonna be so beautiful until Christmas. Yeesh! She needs another drink. Have all you want. I want to keep you happy. Ooh, to the brim. Overflow. A little. Ooh. Sit over here, you perk up, and you think about what you did. Remember that one time when I mopped while the kids were at school? Oh yeah, it only stays that way for so long. All right, keep going, Code. You, here, no, get around the edge, get around the stool like that so it doesn't keep seeping underneath. And I'll grab a washcloth. Well, hot chocolate crisis cleaned up. I'm in the middle of chopping our salad for dinner, and I've got to go pick Olivia up from play practice. This is the mess from the boys. They've played in the snow all after school. Wait, where's my keys and where's my purse? Did I leave it in the car?
Is that a new big bag of food?
Okay, you feed lady. Cody, I want you on the piano. Stop getting off for all of the little things.
1 minute.
This salad is so good and so delicious. What makes it like fun, I don't know why, but if you cut things into smaller pieces, it It just tastes better. I'll put the recipe in the description for you guys if you want. This is so fun. Your friend brought this over while you were at school.
Okay, so
At play
I
practice.
want to clarify. So for Halloween, I did a video, and that was Tacey's house. This is from Tacey, so we're very good friends. She's so nice, and I'm so excited. And I'm excited to give them my present. I love Christmas.
I remember getting presents from my friends.
What'd you usually get?
Oh geez, I don't even remember. And I didn't even care. All I cared was like having a present from my friends, and it was so fun.
It's just the joy of like.
I have a present from Caleb. He gave me the orange sticks.
Oh yeah.
Caleb said they're mostly for you since everyone in your family doesn't like them. I love them. But he's like, mainly for you. Tell your mom that.
Okay.
I don't like those.
Okay, open your present. I'm dying. Her bag is so cute.
Look at those. Those are actually so pretty. Oh, those are so cute. I love them.
A container of hair bows. Scrunchies, not bows. Very cute.
I think that's a blanket. I think that's a tie-dye shirt.
That's cute.
Super cute.
What's that? Oh, cute.
I want to smell it. She was
Hand
smart.
sanitizer.
She put tape over the top of it. Stop.
Don't touch her package.
But it's tempting.
That's a big present from your friend. That's so nice.
Cozy socks.
Wait.
What's that?
Oh, that's like, oh, that's cool.
It's a bracelet zipper.
It's a bracelet zipper. And look, you put it like that, and it's like a zipper. And I'm gonna be so occupied in class.
That's cute.
It's like a fidget toy. Okay, what's her name? For her birthday, she gave us something. She gave us gray and white socks that were like the same thing. And they're super pink today.
Mom got you a present too. She did?
I got me and Olivia some sweats over there. Vanilla sugar body lotion.
Can I taste that?
Oh, yeah.
It's cute.
You can't taste it.
Can I see?
It's a cute chocolate snowman.
No, I want snowman
Yeah, it says chill with your North Pole pals.
Cute.
That's
Olivia,
so
that's so sweet.
Wait, this will match if I went. Whoa!
Oh.
And then
Speaking of friend presents.
I had got this like 3 or 2 weeks ago. It's been forever.
Are you kidding me? It was like 3.5 weeks
Yeah,
ago.
it was crazy long.
And it finally came.
And it finally came, and Mom told me, and I was like, yes. And so
we haven't even looked at it yet. I just took all the like wrapping packages in there. Okay, I bought little baggies. Circle things. These are the lotions.
Those are so cute.
Come on.
Okay, look, and then they have like these like scented. Ooh.
Okay, let's put them in piles into categories, and then we'll show the
Okay,
different
I think I
scents.
still have the paper, and let me grab the paint.
Do you want me to start going through?
Yes.
Each friend got a different scent. British Rose. We're just hoping that smells good.
I think it will.
There's mango. Put that in the mango pile. Satsuma. One of the strawberry piles. Milk and honey. I bet that one smells really good. Coconut pile. All the lip ones are the same, so put one in each pile. Ooh, I think, did we get 3?
We got one for a viewer and one for me.
You guys, Olivia just reminded me.
3 strawberries because 2 for friends and 1 for a viewer.
We wanted to give away one of our packages to one of you guys. Olivia, I would have completely forgot. I'm so glad. Okay, we gotta think of what you guys need to do. Like the video, leave a comment, and we'll choose from the comments, and I'll look and see if the comment that I choose liked the video. So you have to do both in order to win, and then we'll send you a package. Oh, this is fun. Okay, stick this in the coconut pile. Stick this in the Satsuma pile. That one's my favorite. Satsuma. Pink grapefruit. I think this one's also, no, this is another strawberry. Okay, that goes with the almond and honey.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a bag, and in each bag there's going to be a shower wash and a hand cream and a lip balm. Okay, and that's all in one little bag.
And since strawberry is one of my favorite scents from this place, that's the one we're going to give away to a viewer. have never seen her act this way. Okay, show her the orange scented one.
The best smelling one.
It's Satsuma. Okay. Look at her. Look at her mouth. Do it again. Do it one more time.
Do I eat it?
I've never seen her do that.
it works better.
Okay, now let's show her the strawberry and see if it's the different scents.
Hey, do you want to smell this one?
Well, it smells like candy, so I can see
That-
why it really does.
Smells insanely
It
delicious.
smells like Gushers almost.
Look, can I smell? Oh yeah.
Is that body butter?
Show it to
That one's a lip balm.
go to Lady
It's
again.
strawberry.
See
It does
what
not
happens.
smell.
Lily,
like
do
it
to
should
Lady
taste
again.
good.
Lily,
I
do
know.
to Lady again.
We'll try this one and see if she...
Should we see if you like this one? She's like, I am not interested in this.
I like that one.
She knows that it's not good. She's like, that's not for me, and I know it. Doesn't that smell so good? That's the
She
Satsuma.
wants to like it.
She.
Lily, can I smell?
Boston's lip curls up. Never.
I'll just lick the air.
Okay, she doesn't. She doesn't want it anymore. All right,
Like when I opened it, like
bubbled out.
Bubbled out.
All right.
You want to smell it? It smells really good.
The camera curls its lip up. I am actually really excited to do this little baby giveaway. Doesn't that sound like fun? Just choosing someone from the comments. Okay. Oh yeah, and obviously you have to be subscribed, like duh. Be subscribed, make a comment, and I will choose one of you guys to send this to. We're gonna close the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas and for pumping us up in the comments section, because your comments are the ones that have like hyped us up and been like excited to keep doing Vlogmas. Okay, no more. I don't want you doing that anymore.
She's gonna find that chewed up in the corner somewhere.
Don't forget to watch our Christmas thingamabob.
Our Elf on the Shelf?
No, our Christmas
Our Vlogmas
dance.
days.
Christmas concert.
Oh, Cody's concert was yesterday, if anyone missed it. And if you guys want to if you missed our Elf on the Shelf videos from a while ago, they will be in the description for you as well.
Use glasses.
All right, put Cody's.
Smell this.
We're gonna close the vlog by putting glasses on.
Yeah,
Everyone,
glasses.
bye.
Bye.
I have never.
Just sit over here and think about what you did.
I'm trying.
How freaking cute do you look?
Aw, thanks, Jude. Sorry, that was a horrible picture, Joel. I don't know if I'm getting good shots. I'm sorry. Oh, jeez. Here's all the kids, the boys. They I'll put a
It's not yours though.
Go sit on the fireplace,
Hey,
lady.
you're not supposed to be up
You are not off.
off.
Off. I think we got you a set.
Yeah, we got me the orange one.
No, what is
lip
this?
scrub.
Baby, my.
Can I get something? Can I get like a PS5?
Okay.
Even I'm smart enough to know that.